I'm Juan Cruz Cuevas. I'm VP of Product Innovation Management. One of the reasons why I chose Cepheid is because diagnostic is so powerful. And the example is physicians have this trial and error, right? So you go to a physician and they say, let me see if this is what's happening with you or not. That's what diagnostic come to solve, right? No more trial and error. Run that test. We are in this era of AI is coming and it's coming strong. There are so many opportunities to apply it, and so getting, as we say, faster, better, easier by embracing those new technologies. So we all want to be impactful on something, like I done this or I done that, and you know, knowing when you go to, you yourself or your family go to the hospital and they come up with, oh, we are going to run this test, and then you say, hey, that's my product. That's a feeling that I think is very powerful.